Herculean task. Option B, a very difficult job. For example, it's a Herculean task to prepare for exams in just 2 days. At the 11th hour. Option C, at the last moment. For example, he submitted the form at the 11th hour. Crocodile tears. Option A, false display of grief. For example, the politician shed crocodile tears after the scandal. A white elephant. Option B, an expensive but useless thing. For example, the stadium built in the town became a white elephant. The last straw. Option A, final small problem. For example, his rude comment was the last straw for her. Bury the hatchet. Option D, make peace. For example, the two friends decided to bury the hatchet. Grass widow. Option B, a woman whose husband is temporarily away. For example, soldiers' wives often live as grass widows during wartime. Grist to one's mill. Option C, something that is useful. For example, for a teacher, new methods of learning are always grist to the mill. Go to rack and ruin. Option A, to decay or get destroyed. For example, the old family estate had gone to rack and ruin over the decades. Cut no ice. Option B, to have no effect or influence. For example, the manager's warnings cut no ice on the careless employees. Duck in a thunderstorm. Option D, to be completely confused or terrified. For example, she was like a duck in a thunderstorm when she saw the huge crowd at the concert. Fair weather friend. Option C. A friend who helps only in good times. For example, don't trust him too much, he is a fair weather friend. Fringe benefits. Option B. Extra perks or advantages in addition to salary. For example, many employees consider fringe benefits when deciding whether to accept a job offer. Poison someone's ears. Option A. To give harmful or misleading information. For example, don't let anyone poison your ears with lies about your colleagues. Pay through the nose. Option B. To pay a very high or excessive price. For example, tourists often pay through the nose for souvenirs in crowded markets. Pull one's legs. Option D. To tease or joke with someone playfully. For example, the teacher smiled and admitted he was pulling our legs with that tough question. Maiden speech. Option C. A speech delivered by an unmarried woman. For example, his maiden speech was impressive and full of confidence. Sail under false colors. Option A. To pretend by giving a false impression. For example, don't trust him completely, he often sails under false colors. Take away one's breath. Option D. To surprise someone greatly. For example, the view from the mountain peak took my breath away. Throw down the gauntlet. Option C. To challenge to someone. For example, she's better now, but Janet fully out of the woods. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Option A. A person who pretends to be harmless but is dangerous. For example, politicians sometimes act as a wolf in sheep's clothing to manipulate voters. Caught red-handed. Option B. To be caught in the act of doing something wrong. For example, the thief was caught red-handed while trying to steal the necklace. Be in the bad books of. Option D. To be in trouble or out of favor with someone. For example, she fell in the bad books of her friend after forgetting her birthday. Bird of passage. Option A person who migrates for work. For example, many students living abroad are birds of passage, returning home only occasionally. Spit it out. Option C. To eat food quickly. For example, he was nervous about telling the truth, but finally he spat it out. Driving me bananas. Option B. To make someone act crazy. For example, the non-stop noise from the construction site is driving me bananas. Pay the piper. Option C. To face the consequences or bear the cost. For example, if you cheat in exams, you'll eventually pay the piper. Nurse a grudge. Option A. Bear resentment for long period. For example, he has been nursing a grudge against his colleague ever since the promotion. Inside scoop. Option D. Exclusive information about something. For example, she gave me the inside scoop on the company's new product launch. A cat has 9 lives. Option B. Cats seem to get away with dangerous things. For example, she keeps getting into trouble but always escapes unharmed, just like a cat with 9 lives.